Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable floating exchange rate on the Gate.io application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gate.io app on your device. And once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to enable floating exchange rate, simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on the small arrow that you see alongside your username. You will now end up within the user center page. From here, tap on Preferences and then tap on the Exchange Rate Switch option. This will now take you into the exchange rate page where you can change your desired currency as well. Now at the very top, you will see the floating exchange rate toggle. If you tap on this button, this will now enable floating exchange rate, and that is how you can enable floating exchange rate. If you wish to turn it back off, you can once again go back to the same page, and from the Preferences menu within the exchange rate switch, you can turn that off at any point of time. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable floating exchange rate within the Gate.io application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.